In this video, I'll show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase step by step. First, go to the Lovable website and create an account or log in. After logging into Lovable, open the project you want to connect to Supabase. Now, click on the project name to access the project settings. Inside the project, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors option. In the Connectors list, you will find the Supabase option. Click on Supabase. Now click Connect Supabase. You will be redirected to log into Supabase. Authenticate using your Supabase account. After that, grant the required permissions. These permissions allow Lovable to have read and write access to your Supabase project. After confirming the permissions, Supabase will be connected automatically.